All right, guys, 2011 Nissan 370z, all the way from California. He just moved here. We appreciate him coming down to us. He's been watching us for a while. He's like, I gotta get my exhaust done. So he brought his own bolt-on kit by Remark, right there. I'll get you guys the part number off of it in a second. But it's a catback system. So it's a catback titanium system, by the way. So it's really light, which is a really nice system too. So there's the Y pipe setup on it. Then 3-inch continues all the way to the back. But Remark, you forgot to send clamps with it. So how are we supposed to clamp it without the clamps? There was no hanger here and there was no hanger here. So Remark, if you're watching, make sure you guys check on your parts before you send them out to the customers. He's gonna reach out to you guys to make sure you get him a new clamp. But we did a temporary clamp for it there, as you guys can see, and put him a bolt-on solid mount hanger just to hold it up for the time being until he gets the clamp to clamp it around the muffler and back there. All right, but it's made by Remark. We're gonna let you guys hear it. It's a titanium system out the back. And this is what was on it. There's the mid, there's the resonators. It had a muffler delete there, and there's the center section. We took all that off. Instead of a dual system, now it's a single system right there. Here's the part number on the catback system for it. So if we can find a link for it, we'll give you guys a link to it. Well, here it is. It's a catback R1 spec titanium muffler system by Remark, the exhaust company, Remark. There it is. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Guys, I came up with more information. So they do not sell the Y pipe setup, which is this thing. They only sell this side of it, okay? Remark does. So you have to buy the ISR Y pipe setup. And the part number on it is SZ34Y. SZ34Y. But it's an ISR performance. There we go. SZ. There it is. So we'll see if we can get you guys a link for that also. For the Y pipe setup, and the Remark is for the rest of it. So we're about to let you guys hear it. That sounds mean. Wow, that sounds really nice. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 110. That sounds clean. One more time. 112. Notice the warmer it gets, the louder it's getting. That's great. Go ahead and back it out. So this part was around 270, guys, and that one was 850. So about $1,200 for the whole system. And then whatever labor your local shop will charge you to install it. So about $1,200 system altogether. And I would definitely recommend a shop installing it, not yourself. Unless you have a lift, because it's going to be very hard. That's deep, man. It sounds good. And the whistle's going away. You notice it's just deep. It's definitely got some bass to it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. .370z with a Remark system. 70. Wow. Sounds phenomenal, guys. Enjoy. You can still hear it. Enjoy.